So, I really like nature, alright? Just really like nature. I mean, seriously, look at all of that nature. It's nature. Gosh dang it, nature. I love you. I love nature. I mean, it might be a jerk, but just look at all that erosion. I mean, seriously, like, erosion is a jerk. It really is. And then look at all of this photosynthesis. Like, seriously, look at all of it. It's so amazing. All right. Oh, and then these guys are doing cellular respiration. All right, cellular respiration. Okay, it's just so amazing. I mean, seriously. Sorry, I was that close, guys. But don't worry, okay? Like, really, look at all of that chlorophyll. That is a lot of chlorophyll, alright? I mean, seriously, I love nature, alright? I love nature. I love nature, alright? Just don't question it. I love nature. Just go with it. Don't question it, alright? Like, seriously, don't question it, alright? I love nature. That's all there is to it. Alright. Oh my gosh. The Nature Center at Camp Cedars in 2017. Boom. Get wrecked. 10 out of 10. 11 out of 10. I love nature.